Here's the nozzle, just a screw on. You can get this at the dollar store, you can get it at Walmart, anywhere. But that's the only thing I had it handy to put in through that hole, because it just by itself like this, it won't work. Through my heater core, and it's not blocked because it's coming out through the other way. But once you go into the cabin, I got curious about moving this, and as you can see, there's water coming through. And it's a lot of water. So not only is it getting my floor wet, but my coolant is leaking through there. And that's how fast it's leaving. And that's just water hose pressure. Now picture this, but with the engine pressure, with the water cooling system pressure. And it has a leak coming out through here. Maybe that's the reason why I keep getting blown head gaskets. This is the second time I get a blown head gasket in 2 years. It's pretty quick. So I just changed my head gaskets. Yeah, I figured that out. I have this open, so now the next thing I have to figure out is how to get the heater core out so I can get a new one. After that, I have this dry. No more problem, no more losing coolant. And yeah, that's it.